IPO. Right now, the buzz is around Reddit IPO. These three-letter words often make news, but what does IPO actually mean? And why is it such a big deal in the world of stock markets? Hello, I'm Adya Juneja, and in this episode of WION Decodes, we'll break down IPOs for you. IPO means initial public offering. A private company goes for an IPO when it wants to list itself on a stock exchange. Now, as the name suggests, certain number of shares are offered to the public to invest in. An IPO does two things. It helps the general public get a piece of the company by buying its shares. Now, this enables companies to get long-term funds from the public. An IPO is an important step in the growth of a business. It greatly increases the credibility and publicity that a business receives. In fact, an IPO is often considered a better way to finance growth and expansion than going for several rounds of funding by venture capital firms. Every company needs to fulfill certain regulatory criteria before launching an IPO. Rules differ in different countries, but generally speaking, a company needs to be operational for at least 3 years. In India, the consolidated net worth for a company seeking IPO must be at least 10 million rupees for 3 years straight. The number of shares on offer in an IPO cannot be more than 5 times the net worth. Once these criteria are fulfilled, a red herring prospectus is issued, which profiles the company. Generally, an IPO is open to the public at a predetermined rate for 2 or 3 days. More often than not, an IPO is oversubscribed. This means that more people want to buy the shares than on offer in the share market. Now, once the public offering is closed, this company is listed on the stock exchange, thus changing from private to a public company. But why are IPOs important for business and economy, you may wonder? Well, a large number of IPOs in the market indicate the good health of an economy. They also provide investors the opportunity to become a stakeholder in the company's growth story. So, are you excited to participate in future IPOs? Let us know in the comments.